Hello everyone, welcome to Scardia.com. My name is Dr. Saima Mushtaq and our today's topic of emergency medicine is Introduction to Emergency Medicine. This topic will be covered in 3 sections. In the first section, we will talk about the clinical scope of problems, general categories of problems or complaints, anatomic essential, and patient's history. So in the emergency medicine, we will talk in the first section all the clinical scope of the problems that comes under the emergency medicine, and anatomic essentials and importance of history taking, which is very important because in emergency we need to skip the part where we do the detailed examination and detailed history. So we need to be very, very specific and quick because in emergency we don't have much time for all these details. So history is important. Then in the second section, we will discuss the patient management, the physical examination, diagnosis, differential diagnosis, and basic principles of treatment. And remember, all these aspects, we are talking about the emergency management and the emergency situation. Then in the third section, we will talk about the emergency patient care, disposition, admission and discharge of the patient, and pearls, pitfalls, and myths associated with emergency. So all that we will discuss in our today's topic of Introduction to Emergency Medicine, and we will try to cover all the how we should manage the patient who comes in emergency room, what are the common types of patients who are the patients who visit the emergency room, and how we should handle those emergencies. So keep watching Scardia.com to learn about this very important topic.